All right, I'm back up at the homestead here for the day. We need to move the pig pen. Like I've mentioned before, this is where the greenhouse is going to go. The little piggies here have done a great job rooting up, haven't you? Yeah. So they've done a pretty good job here. Didn't get the back end too well because that's where they use their washroom, so they don't really root around there, but all this area is pretty good. So the goal is to kind of pen them in a bit and move 4 panels, and we're gonna move them over to the other side of the garden there and get them rooting over there. So we'll show you that later on. Okay, so the plan has changed for what we're gonna do with the pigs. We've got asparagus, we're gonna have an asparagus patch, right? And we're going to, I think we're gonna put the asparagus patch here instead of over there, just due to the fact that it's closer to the house and Kristen doesn't have to run over check there every day because the asparagus grows fast. You turn around, it'll be like fully grown in a day. So, and the other reason is he had his old garden here, the last owner of the house. So it should be good soil, good fertile soil here. And that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna corner the pigs into a corner, pen them in a bit, and move some of the fences over here, right? He looks so excited. And then we're gonna go get some other fencing done. So let's get this going. Okay, we're gonna try to outsmart the pigs so we can get them back farther, and then fence them in more. So I'm gonna take them some food over here. Here's some more water, piggies. Come and get it. There you go. Let's get this one here too, a little bigger.
Gotta close the gate all the way.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Here's some more water, piggies. Come and get it. Oh, that was easier than expected.
That's what I was hoping for.
Let's get them closer. Let me grab the... That was easy. Okay, so now we're gonna move those over.
Do you think we can lift them 2 at a time? I don't know.
I hope so. We can try.
What are you guys doing?
Gotta make a cage for Ainsley.
Mama, what are you guys doing?
I'll drag it this way and we'll see. Yeah, there we go. So let's drag it right to here maybe. We're just gonna do square, right?
Yeah.
I guess.
Okay, I guess I'm going by myself.
Let's pull it as close to the fence line maybe
Yeah.
as possible.
Gonna do.
Just a sec, let me come to that side. That's low. Right. Okay, that's probably good. Might need a bigger spot than that because there's like, I will see how it goes with plants. Might need more room for plants because there's a lot of plants. That'll be fine. I think I did like 50, 60. Cool. Start with the dirt there being dragged. Okay.
Probably gonna trash my toes at some point.
Yeah, why aren't you wearing boots?
Because it was hot. I didn't want to wear boots. But we weren't doing this at the time. No, you need more than that.
All right, we got that moved. We are going to wire up the fencing quickly so it doesn't fall over. And we're gonna watch Kristen move pigs. It's gonna be exciting. Okay, so the next step here is brought some of the tarps over on the other side of the garden. I need to lay them on the outside here because this is basically the footprint of the greenhouse where the pigs have rooted up. And I don't want this grass growing into the greenhouse, so if I can put the tarp down, kill everything around it, then after that I want to get some cardboard as well, toss wood chips on it so it's like 3 or 4 feet out, so it really keeps that grass down and not into the greenhouse, so it's less weeding down the road. So I will get that started right now and I'll get that going. I need your help with the tarp, holding it down too.
Wide all the way around.
I think so. It's better to have it all killed off then, right? Better to have that much grass killed off and not have it creeping in down the road. Oh, there's a rock on it. So let's start at that front corner maybe.
Pretty shredded at this one.
That's right. Okay,
I stopped and asked the lumber guys, and they said to take as many as we wanted.
nice.
Like, even more. Take as many as you need, and a whole whack more too.
That helps. So I'm overlapping it as well so that the grass doesn't have a chance to grow in over there either.
Steer them there.
Well, let's just do halfway for now till we get this moved because we want to have it over. Nice toesies. Alright. Okay.
This time than we had down there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, well let's get the pigs moved next before we do the tarp.
They know the big wet puppy.
Oh. Oh, you guys stink. Come on, piggies. You guys got the creepiest eyes in the world. Come on. Go around the other side. Okay, so finally got around to figuring out how to get the pigs over. Enticed them with some food in the crate. We're going to carry them over, and that didn't work. So now we have a little run-in. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's what we had for right now. So we're going to run them over here. This will be the asparagus patch here, and we're going to get Logan, the pig herder, to herd them over. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm a pig bodyguard.
There we go. So now we just got to get this up to there, take off this gate, and run them down. All right, we're going to see how this goes. We're going to...
Pull the crate out of the way of them and move it all the way over so they have a clear runway. Okay. And we'll move this
probably
back.
pull this. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm going to hold the fence here to be on the safe side. Okay, it's kind of floppy. Okay.
Uh-oh. Wire popped off. Hang on a sec.
Technical malfunction here.
Yeah.
That might be okay if you just hold it there.
Yeah, but I can't hold that side.
All right.
This side.
So we need to get the wires. And
Need another wire too, please.
all right, we'll be right back. Okay, Logan,
Here, Logan.
chase him in.
Let's move the crates over all the way to that side. Logan, move everything that way. Logan, move all that. And then we'll have a clear. I'll try to stay back here. So you don't see.
Okay, let's try this out. It's like herding of the bulls. There you go, piggy. Okay, get the other one. There you go, chase him in.
Pet the piggies.
There we go. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that herding of the pigs and getting us up in the new area. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. We'll see you out there. Have a great day.